Hi, it's Rachel. In this video, we will be reviewing how to create users. Please note that this can only be done by administrators. The use case we'll be using today is that I am an administrator and need to add a user to 2 groups and 2 subgroups. Before you begin creating users, we recommend switching to the group you want to work in, as this group will become the user's default group when signing into the system. To get to the users page, you will need to navigate to the account section. To get there, click on Account, then Users. That will bring you to the Users page. You can add a single user by clicking on the Add User button. You will then see the Add User pop-up. This is where you can enter the information of the user, such as the basic information, organization, and permissions. Permissions will give the user access to groups and subgroups with the selected privileges. In our use case, I need to add Riley to 2 groups and 2 subgroups. To add this user to the groups, I will click on the Add Permission button. I can then select the group I want to add the user to and the permission the user should have in that group. In this group, I selected for the user to be a manager and would like them to have the ability to sign and have access to the pending signatures queue. The default manager permission will give the user access to reports, templates launch, workflows, web forms, and additional templates. I have not selected Allow Open Signing, which adds the user to a list of people who have the ability to sign when the participant authentication type is selected as a registered user. I am also adding Riley to another group, the training group, with the same permissions as the last group. Next, I am adding Riley to a subgroup. Since the user is a head project manager, I want them to have the ability to add other project managers to the group. I will give Riley administrator permissions and the additional ability to open signing. The final subgroup I will add Riley to is the accounting group. In this group, I only want Riley to have the basic user access to reports, templates launch, workflows, web forms, and document templates. Allow pending signatures queue was deselected because I do not want non-accounting employees such as Riley to be able to see pending signatures. Once you are ready to add the user, click on the Add User button. There is also the ability to bulk upload users. Click on the Bulk Upload button, and you then see Bulk Users Upload options. There are 2 options, Insert Users or Delete Users. If you select Insert Users, you will then have the option to update existing users. Once you select which option you want, select the file to upload and then select Upload Users. Now that the account for Riley has been created, an email has been sent to Riley to complete the account setup. We can see the email Riley received. The new user can now use the information in the email to sign into the system. When a new user logs into the system for the first time, they will be prompted to change their password. Once their password is successfully changed, they will be taken into the system. You can see Riley has access to all the groups we assigned permissions to. Let's say the new user forgot their password. That is no problem, as the system allows for users to reset their password on their own. The user will click on the Forgot Password button and the system will prompt them to enter their username and email address. Then click on the Send Password Reset button. An email will then be sent to the user providing a link for them to reset their password. It will then bring them to a screen to enter and confirm their new password. That's our review of how to create users. Thank you for watching.